Hey, health spiffers! Leo M here, your guide to a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a topic that has the potential to transform not just your plate, but your entire well-being: how to become vegan slowly. 8 tips for beginners adopting a plant-based diet. Now, I know making the switch to a plant-based diet can seem like a daunting task, but fear not. We've got a roadmap for you. So, grab a smoothie, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Tip 1. Tip number 1. Gradual transition. Now, I get it. Change can be overwhelming. So, instead of diving headfirst into a sea of kale and quinoa, take it slow. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your weekly routine. Swap that beef burger for a veggie patty or explore the world of colorful salads. The key is to let your taste buds acclimate gradually. Tip 2. Tip number 2. Explore plant-based proteins. One of the most common concerns when considering a vegan diet is protein intake. But fret not. There's a whole universe of plant-based proteins waiting for you. From hearty lentils and chickpeas to quinoa and tofu, the options are both delicious and nutritious. Experiment with different sources to find what tickles your taste buds. Tip 3. Tip number 3. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, my friends. Arm yourself with information about the nutritional aspects of a plant-based diet. Understand the nutrients your body needs and where to find them in the plant kingdom. Apps and websites like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer can be your allies in tracking your nutrient intake and ensuring you're getting all the essentials. Tip 4. Tip number 4. Embrace whole foods. Let's keep it simple and fresh, folks. Whole foods are your best friends on this journey. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds. Nature's bounty is vast and diverse. Not only are these foods packed with nutrients, but they also bring a burst of flavors to your plate. Remember, the closer your food is to its natural state, the better. Tip 5. Tip number 5. Discover vegan alternatives. The market has heard your call, and there are now fantastic vegan alternatives for nearly every traditional animal product. Plant-based milk, vegan cheese, and even meat substitutes are readily available. Take the time to explore these options and find the ones that make your taste buds dance with joy. Tip 6. Tip number 6. Plan your meals. Fail to plan. Plan to fail, right? Well, in the world of plant-based living, this couldn't be truer. Take a few minutes each week to plan your meals. This not only helps you stay organized, but ensures that you have a variety of tasty and nutritious options at your fingertips. Your future self will thank you. Tip 7. Tip number 7. Connect with the community. Going vegan doesn't mean going it alone. There's a vibrant and supportive community out there waiting to welcome you with open arms. Join social media groups, attend local vegan events, and share your journey. Not only will you gain valuable insights, but you'll also make some incredible friends along the way. Tip 8. Tip number 8. Be kind to yourself. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your transition to a plant-based lifestyle won't be either. If you slip up or find the journey challenging, don't beat yourself up. It's all part of the process. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small, and remember, every plant-based choice you make is a step towards a healthier you. And there you have it. Health Spiffer's 8 tips to help you ease into a plant-based lifestyle. Remember, it's not a race. It's a journey, and we're in this together. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share this video with someone who's considering making the switch. Until next time, stay spiffy and stay healthy.